Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set the original iPhone ringtone on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Inside this menu, look for Ringtone and tap on it. Here, you'll see all the available ringtone options. If your iPhone is currently using a newer ringtone like Reflection, don't worry. Simply scroll through the list until you find the classic original iPhone ringtone. Tap on it to select it. You'll hear a preview, and a check mark will appear next to the ringtone, confirming that it's now selected. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.